In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in Perplexity. Whether you're a complete newcomer or just need a refresher, this guide has you covered with clear and easy to follow instructions. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or something else entirely. The key is to ensure your browser is up to date, as this will help you avoid any compatibility issues. Once your browser is ready, you're all set for the next step. Now, you'll need to navigate to Perplexity. This is the platform where we'll be doing our file upload today. Simply type Perplexity into your browser's address bar, or if you have it bookmarked, you can just click on it. This should bring you to the main page of Perplexity, where you can see all the features and tools available to you. Next, let's look for the paperclip icon. This icon is usually located in the Text tab, serving as a visual cue for uploading files. It's similar to the paperclip you'd find in email clients, symbolizing an attachment. When you locate it, give it a click. This action will prompt a new window to open, guiding you to the next stage of the process. With the new window open, it's time to upload or select your file. You'll generally find a few options here. If you're uploading a file from your device, click the option that lets you browse your computer. Choose the file you wish to upload and confirm your choice. In case your file is already stored within Perplexity, you'll see a list of available files to select from. Simply click on the file you need. If there's more than one, you can usually select multiple files at once. Once that's done, you're ready to type in your prompts, captions, or descriptions for the uploaded file. This is your opportunity to provide context or instructions related to your file. Giving a detailed description will make it easier for anyone else using the file to understand its purpose. Be sure to make your prompts clear and concise, focusing on the main points you want to convey. This step isn't just about clarity for others, but also ensures that when you revisit the file, you know exactly what it is and how it's relevant. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a file to Perplexity. Don't forget to save any changes you've made, and you might want to double-check your inputs to ensure everything's correct. Thanks for joining us in this straightforward and efficient guide. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy uploading!